Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2022 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, power passenger seat, keyless entry, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, LED headlights, stability control, power lift gate, lane departure warning. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.